Hello everyone, I'm Lily. Welcome to back my channel. I will give you very stylish decoration ideas and inspirations for your room and home. You can find the link of the materials in the description of the video. You can evaluate this idea in many ways. It's that easy to make a stylish vase. You can make a macrame wall decoration. You can make a wonderful gift from air drying clay. If you like stylish candles, this idea is easy. You can do this as an easy floral decor. Great idea with Legos. You can decorate the walls of your room like this. If you like suncatcher, you should make this at home. A very easy decor idea from paper. You can make stylish wall decorations. Desktop is a great lapma idea. You can also make the famous Pinterest flower mirror like this. You will love the IKEA hack idea. You can make colorful wall decorations. This is how you can evaluate your laces. This idea is great if you like wall decorations. The most beautiful patterns to paint CD. Another very stylish wall decoration. You should try this idea with pulp. Stylish Pinterest candle holder in air drying clay. You can make a lighted decor. Bohemian wall decoration lovers will love this. I also fell in love with this idea. Very stylish candle holder idea. Evaluate jar lids like this. Great idea with 2 ingredients. It would also be great as a wall decoration. Very stylish decor. Cloud lovers will love it. If you love the sea, you should try this. A stylish decor for moon lovers. A stylish decor with few materials. Making a work of art with leaves. Transform glass bottles like this.